In this video, I'll show you how to lock apps on iPhone. If your iPhone is using iOS 18 or later, Apple now lets you lock certain apps so they require Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode before they open. Apple says this helps keep the app private, and information from a locked app also stays hidden in places like notification previews, search, Siri suggestions, and some other parts of the system. To lock an app, go to your home screen and find the app you want to protect. Then touch and hold the app icon until the Quick Actions menu appears. After that, tap Require, Face ID, Require, Touch ID, or require passcode, depending on your iPhone model. Confirm the choice, and the app will be locked. The next time someone tries to open it, the iPhone will ask for authentication first. Apple also says that after you close the app, it locks again automatically. So each time it's reopened, it will ask for Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode again. One important thing to remember is that not every built-in app can be locked. Apple lists apps like Settings, Camera, Maps, Find My, Clock, Contacts, Calculator, and Shortcuts as examples that can't be locked this way. And before this works, make sure Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode is already set up on your iPhone. Apple says those security features are what power app locking in the first place. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.